Alrighty guys, good afternoon. Today we had a bit of a chill morning. Annie is feeling fantastic, aren't you, Annie? Nah, she's got a cold, so that's not very good. So we had a bit of a rest this morning, but this afternoon we've actually booked ourselves on a bit of a tour. So it's what they call an eco tour. It's where we're going to go get to see the farmlands and how they farm all their products. We get to go ride some buffaloes. We'll also get to go down a river on what they call a basket boat. Now, a basket boat is basically, as it sounds, it's not shaped like a normal boat, it's just like a massive basket, and we'll float down there, and then we'll get to go see a village and learn some more cultural things and experience some of the stuff they do in regards to fishing and coconut leaf, I think it's coconut leaf, like weaving and stuff like that. So it should be a good afternoon. So we're about to head on out and we'll get this day started. Alrighty. So the guide was meant to be picking us up to take us on this tour, but he's coming on a motorcycle to pick me and Annie up, which with my big camera bag, my size, and Annie, I don't think we're really going to fit. So instead, we're going to follow him on this mad beast. The guide's here and we are off.
Many people Da Nang come here to buy in the market in Da Nang.
So what he was saying was that a lot of the produce here in the vegetable village goes to other places like Da Nang and that for their food markets. So this is like the big supplier.
In the water, it's a sour.
Not knowing Nono would be so proud of me right now.
With fur. It's with fur. Fur.
Is this coriander?
Yeah.
No one likes coriander.
Yeah, okay.
Comment if you actually like coriander. But it does smell. It actually smells different to the ones at home. Smell that.
It's better. It's like fresher and sweeter.
Oh, what's this one?
Yes.
Oh no, that's it.
Yeah.
Smell that.
That's mint.
Yeah, it's good and very special
leaves.
in Hoi An. Special in here. Only here are very good.
So what's this?
Yes, we eat chicken. Duck, egg eye, duck. Very good.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing. That was really cool, being able to just see all the different veggies that they grow here. Alrighty, on to the next. Alrighty, so this is going to be a first. Meet our friend. Do they have names?
Yes, that's nice.
What's this one's name?
Look.
Like look out?
Friendly. Hiền lắm anh hả? Friendly.
Friendly.
Yes, it's same every day when you get on the buffalo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and you come on.
Sure. I'm riding a buffalo. Whoa.
Definitely the most unique way I've ever travelled somewhere.
Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, so beautiful. Wow. If you get the opportunity to ride one of those amazing animals, I highly recommend you do it. Don't wear jeans, they're extremely slippery off the back.
And don't wear a dress.
And don't wear a dress. But guys, that is a must do, an absolute must do. So another thing, guys, is that all this is done by hand, all the farming. They have no electricity out here. So it's all done manual and with buffaloes. When you look at the sheer size of all of this, that's just insane to think about. Especially when you see how much rice is around Vietnam as well. Alrighty, so after a 20-minute ride, we have arrived at the boat. So tour so far has been fantastic. As you saw, went and saw the vegetable village. We've ridden a buffalo and learnt a bit about them. They are such beautiful animals, which I never would have thought. I thought they would have been a bit, you know, a bit hardcore because they look scary as shit. And we are here. We are right next to this lovely little river, and my face is gone.
No, you can see all my chins from this angle.
You're really struggling to hear me too. It's because there's a bunch of Chinese people floating down a river. Thought we'd just wait for that to pass. I don't even know you can hear me, but apparently 1,000 to 2,000 people in the afternoon come floating down this river. They seem to be all Chinese. Alrighty, we're getting in the boat now. Let's do it. I just tried to put one of these on, but my big head doesn't fit. Hey. Now we're part of the party. We don't make very good Vietnamese people. So our guides actually, we're not part of all this party stuff, we've got like a private tour. So our guide's actually going to take us out to where it's a bit more quiet, but it was also, we were told we're going to be shown where the Americans came and bombed. So some of the sites on the river here where the Americans hit pretty hard, which should be very interesting. We weren't expecting to have this many people around us with music. Kind of killing our vlog a little. If we're lucky, they go on the main river and float away.
Young and lovely. When you, I love you, and not in morning, not morning but ring, but you working and the people, the boy working the ring, buy coconut for your girlfriend. I love you.
So another fun fact is the Vietnamese get married very early, and what he was saying is they obviously don't have a lot of money, so they go to the coconut trees and they build their homes out of coconut trees. He was also just saying that with all the people and the partying, all the fish in the river just disappear off into the trees, which I would too if I was the fish with all this going on. So early in the morning and late at night the fish come back out, and then it's really good fishing along here.
American come to the world with Vietnamese.
Yeah.
And on the river, many about 6 Americans around looking for people Vietnamese inside coconut, looking for boom, boom, boom. And many airplanes around every day. And the boat, many boats, same ready.
So he's just saying that on this river the Americans would come and bring their boats in with all these trees in behind us. They would just bomb the crap out of it, sadly, because that's where all the Vietnamese people were hiding. And they used this main river here to dock up all their boats, and every day there was bombings, every day. And then they would hide in there and try and fight back. We're back with all the crowds now. I still don't know if you can hear me at all.
And carrot, onion to inside, and we got smaller and then we roll. And for the second, for the shrimp, pork, banana flour, mint and peanuts. You mix it up with the fish sauce with the local here. We make everything. We not buy central market. We buy that, but we come here. We do that.
Second course. Third course. So guys, that is the tour that we've just been on. This is the company, and this is the fantastic guide that just took us through all the things you just saw. Guys, you need to come and book with these guys. If you don't, something's wrong with you. Once again, we're not getting paid for this. We're paying for this. It was an amazing tour. We got it solo, and yeah, amazing guide. So guys, go hit them up. No, you missed a bit.